So Jake, tough result again there, but still unbeaten. 11 games now.
Yeah, I think it feels like a loss in there, especially after being 2-0 up and we were on top for most of the game, but just got to try and keep our heads up, and we've got to run 5 games now to try and get another 5 wins and carry on the good run that we've been on.
Yeah, they're saying it's a good run there, but we're still unbeaten. It's 11 games now. We haven't in the league, we haven't lost, and it's although it feels like a loss, we are still unbeaten.
Yeah, that's it, and still top. So we've just got to kind of put that result behind us and crack on now. It's just a tough one to take. We've been 2-0 up, and then conceding so late, and it feels like we've thrown 3 points away.
And you came on there, you're still coming back from injury, and quite a few chances there, Jake. So it was literally, it could have been 3, but you played well.
God, almost a curse because we were 2-0 up. But it's just nice to get some more minutes, try and just need to chip in with a few goals, and get some more fitness in the tank.
And after a couple of weeks with Cymru, last game in Guilsfield today was 4 from 6. It's not a bad performance.
No, that's it. I think if someone said at the start of the season to take 4 out of 6 against the top 2, we would have took it. And we've got a good run of games now to try and get maximum points.
And I said good run of games. It starts with Clongeffney, who, no disrespect to them, but are bottom of the league. So hopefully easier win.
Yeah, it'd be a tough game though because it'd be difficult at their place Friday night. It's going to be it'd be a different game to tonight, but it'd be just as tough.